Welcome to another video from DD Aerial Photography. As you can see that today was a nice 72 degrees and partly sunny, but if you face to the south, you can see that it was partly cloudy. It got kind of chilly. Okay, we had some landscaping done at our house, and this is one company that I can recommend. I will say they did a fantastic job on our landscaping. We had the front yard done and we had the backyard done. Halfway through the landscaping, my wife had an idea to landscape the backyard to have a little privacy on the lanai. You can see that we are Robolini rich. We have 4 Robolinis in our yard. They did a wonderful job. They did the side. They added a few plants of ours. They used a few plants that we had before. Dashing through the snow in one horse open sleigh. If you're liking this video, please like, share, and subscribe. They extended our concrete pad with pavers for a little barbecue area, put some LED lights up there. It looked great. It looks very good at night, and you will see. You can see that they did the landscaping behind the lanai, and it is 100% what my wife loves. They did a great job. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells. It gives us a little bit of privacy on the lanai, and here's a view from our lanai out back. As you can see, we needed a little bit of privacy, and they added some LED landscape light. It has a wonderful ambiance for the nighttime. Look at it from inside the lanai. Wonderful. Here we are. Now let's get to the Village of LaGrange. That's what you've been waiting for. The Village of LaGrange is between Corbin Trail and Bexley Trail here. This on the north side of Eastport. As you can see on the top of the screen, that's the way we are looking. I just wanted to say that all my videos are always in 4K, so you're able to watch it on the big screen TV. So we're flying north, you can see the Village of Edenfield up there, and we're going to fly this sandy area all the way up here to Ferguson Court. If you're enjoying this video and you want to see more videos of the Villages, Florida, please like, share, and subscribe. When we get up to Ferguson Court, we're going to turn around, just come right back. See where it's going to flip and come back down Caudill Trail. You have the Woodlands Championship Golf Course on the right. As we come down south, down through here, you can see the houses that they have started. You can see they have the foundations on some of them down through here. They have some of the ground broken, some of the yards, some of the lots have been surveyed and ready for foundation. The Village of LaGrange is a pretty nice village to live in when you're close to Eastport. We're just going to flip over to the right a little bit and fly up north. And you can see the foundations they have built over here. You can see the foundations they have poured over here and the houses they have started. Look how far along some of these houses are. We're going to go up to the Championship Golf Course, move a little bit over to the left. And then you can see the Championship Golf Course on the right, hole 2, and we're heading south. As we head south, you can see they haven't started building too far down through here, but they do have some lots on Corbin Trail that they just started building. But we're going to jump across Corbin Trail and check out what's behind the postal center of LaGrange. I think what they're going to build here in the new residential area behind the postal center and rec center of the LaGrange, I think this is going to be more like the new Richmond. I think it's just going to be built up. They're just going to build it, a bunch of spec homes in here, and sell them. So this will be the new villages of LaGrange, the new village area of LaGrange. Check out the lots down here by Central Lake. We'll go down LaGrange Loop. And again, I think these are going to be some nice lots down through here. Even though they are smaller than the lots further to the west down here, they will still be the same price. Now as we fly to the west here, you will see the federal prison over there, and it is a pretty large complex. You can see Central Lake is very full, even though we haven't had any rain down here in quite a while. And where is it going to go at? We are going to go down here to LaGrange Loop and turn around because I'm not going to fly any further. I do not need the federal correctional facilities that come over and knock on my door. As we turned around and went east, you can see more of the Oak Hollow village down through here. We're going to come back and turn left there and fly up north and check out the lots down through there. And whoever bought that golf course lot that was sold and opened back up, hey, I will give you a discount because you stopped my wife from buying that lot. Contact me at ddaerialphotographytv@gmail.com and I will do your home build package for you for a discount. That lot right over there to the right. Thank you. I do appreciate it. As we fly up through here, you can see all the lots down through here. There are going to be a lot of premier homes on each side of the golf course here. Only thing I don't like about this side of the golf course, they don't have the pond between the golf course and your lot. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And here's another video that YouTube thinks that you will enjoy of mine.